The Art of Augmented Reality, Blending Virtual and Physical Worlds. In the ever-evolving landscape of art, a new frontier has emerged that blurs the boundaries between the real and the virtual. Augmented reality, AR, a technology that overlays digital elements onto the physical world, has taken the art world by storm. Artists are harnessing the power of AR to create captivating and immersive experiences that challenge our perception of reality. From interactive installations to mind-bending visualizations, the possibilities are endless. As we dive into the world of AR art, we embark on a journey that explores the fusion of technology and creativity, unlocking a realm of artistic expression like never before. Welcome to the Art of Augmented Reality. One of the most exciting aspects of AR art is its ability to transform traditional artistic mediums into dynamic and interactive experiences. Imagine stepping into a gallery and seeing a static painting come to life before your eyes. With the integration of augmented reality, paintings can now become animated, revealing hidden layers of meaning and captivating narratives. Sculptures can be transformed into virtual installations, allowing viewers to explore every angle and dimension. The possibilities for experimentation and innovation are boundless as artists push the boundaries of what is possible within the realm of AR. The fusion of technology and art opens up a whole new world of creative expression, inviting viewers to engage and participate in a way that was never before imaginable. Augmented reality not only revolutionizes the way we experience art, but also opens up new avenues for artists to collaborate and connect with audiences worldwide. Through AR, artists can transcend geographical boundaries and share their creations with a global audience. Virtual exhibitions and interactive digital platforms enable artists to showcase their work to a diverse range of individuals, fostering a sense of community and engagement. This digital integration also allows for real-time feedback and interaction, bringing artists closer to their viewers in unprecedented ways. The democratization of art becomes a reality, as AR provides a platform for emerging artists to gain visibility and recognition on a global scale. The power of technology, combined with artistic expression, creates a vibrant and interconnected art world like never before. As we delve deeper into the world of AR art, we find that this innovative technology is not limited to traditional art forms alone. It permeates various creative disciplines, including fashion, music, and performance art. Fashion designers use AR to bring their designs to life in virtual runway shows, where virtual models showcase their collections in stunning detail. Musicians incorporate AR elements into their performances, creating immersive audiovisual experiences that transport audiences to new realms. Performance artists blend physical and virtual realities, engaging spectators in multisensory journeys that blur the lines between imagination and reality. The integration of AR into these diverse artistic fields pushes the boundaries of creativity and challenges conventional notions of what art can be. The art of augmented reality is a catalyst for innovation and collaboration across disciplines, giving rise to entirely new and groundbreaking art forms. As we peer into the future, the potential of augmented reality in the art world appears limitless. Advancements in technology continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, leaving us to wonder what exciting developments lie ahead. Imagine a world where entire cities become canvases for artists to create stunning AR murals that come to life with a simple scan of a smartphone. Picture galleries transformed into immersive digital landscapes, where viewers can explore virtual exhibitions from the comfort of their own homes. AR glasses and wearable devices may become commonplace, allowing individuals to experience art seamlessly integrated into their daily lives. The fusion of art and technology is poised to redefine our understanding of creativity, perception, and human expression. The art of augmented reality is an ever-evolving journey, where innovation and imagination know no bounds. Get ready to witness the future of art, where reality and virtuality seamlessly coexist, inspiring and captivating us in ways we could never have imagined.